One of the useful applications inside of Microsoft Windows is the Notepad. So to access Notepad, you can go to the Start menu right here and type in Notepad right here. So just going to go around and type in Notepad, and here you can see the Notepad icon. Once you click on this, the plain Notepad opens up, and here what you can do is you can basically type in text. If you want to learn more about Notepad, then you can see the tutorial series on Notepad that I have through the playlist in my channel as well. So over here in Notepad, you can go around and then save up the files. So I'm just going to go around and save a Notepad file right here. And over here, you can see that there's different options to work around with. For example, in Edit, you can find out things in text right here. And in Notepad, you simply work around with plain text, which makes it perfect to save some quick notes as well. And then to go around and type in some letter drafts and so forth. You can go around into formatting as well and see different options. Let's say, for example, you see that this is what I have now. So I'm just going to go around, type in some sentence, like some words right here. You can see that it is all in one line. But if I were to go to format, turn on word wrap, you can see that this is what you have. Similarly, you can go to font and choose the font that you want to display out your notes in as well, and the format, all the format applied is the same over here. You can go for zoom over here as well, zoom out or zoom in, as you can see right here, and work around with the text. So I can save this and then I can close this, and Notepad creates a very light file. It creates a plain note file right here. You can see that as I right click, go to properties, you only see that this is 104 bytes. So if I were to double click, you can see that it opens up in Notepad again. And that is how you can work around with Notepad inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.